This video is a walkthrough of some of the things you can expect on your dump truck test. We're going to cover tipping, receiving a load, hill starts in both directions. You will also have to carry out the pre-start and running checks to the machine. We've not covered this in the video. We're going to start off with receiving a load. I was doing this on my own. Normally the excavator operator will position you with the bucket or with some signals. Once you're in position, you need to stay where you are if there is a ROPS and FOPS fitted to the cab. Once loaded, we will give you a signal that you can move off. We're now going to move on to a hill start. So we're going to do one in the upward direction. You need to come to a stop and then apply handbrake in neutral. When you're setting off again, make sure the machine has selected its gear before you release the handbrake. You don't want to roll back on the hill. We're now going to do a hill start in the downward direction and reverse back up the hill a few meters. Again, make sure you come to a stop before applying the handbrake in neutral. The same as in the upward direction, put it in gear before releasing the handbrake and then reverse up. We now move on to tipping the first load. Use both mirrors at all times, reversing aids if you've got them. You want to check the area the ground is firm, level before you tip. Upon tipping, once you're in position, you want to apply the handbrake in neutral before raising the body. We're then going to shunt forward to allow the material to come out of the body. Once you've shunted forward, apply the handbrake in neutral and then lower the skip back down. We're then going to move on to receiving the next load. I've edited this bit out, but if you again reverse into position, before you set off, make sure you carry out good observations all around. Now I'm going to show you the hill start again on a different hill, from a different view, just so you can see from this point of view. Handbrake neutral, allow the machine to sit still before selecting gear again and releasing the handbrake. And again, performing a hill start on the way down, apply the handbrake and into neutral before looking around, reselecting the gear, dropping the handbrake, reversing back. Sometimes you will need to use the diff locks. Your instructor will show you this during the course before coming back down the hill. Again, use your mirrors, reversing back into position before applying the handbrake and neutral before tipping the load. You will do more loads than this, but this is just what to expect on your test. On shutdown as well, allow the machine to idle before turning it off. Don't just kill the engine. Thank you for watching.